Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Netflix keep crashing on iPhone iOS 17 after updates. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. When you have Netflix keep crashing, facing this issue, first solution, you have busy server. The problem of Netflix crashing can be due to the busy server. A busy server means if there are too many people waiting to log in the Netflix to enjoy themselves at the same time, the server will probably go to downtime. This causing Netflix to stop working. Then second solution, you have poor internet connection. Since Netflix is an online app, it is unable to work properly if there is no stable network connected, or even worse, the network fails to make a connection. Then third solution, you have outdated app software version. Another reason that causes Netflix to fail to work smoothly lies in the outdated version. So you have opened the app store. So you have checked the Netflix update is available or not. He is available update. So you have must be update on your iPhone. So then you have search the Netflix. So then you have check the update available on your iPhone. So you must be update. Then you are if the app or software version in your iPhone is not updated for a long time, Netflix will malfunction without the doubt. Then fourth solution, you have delete and reinstall Netflix. Uninstall Netflix and reinstall it will also help to remove the bug to fix the problem. By doing so, you have earlier downloaded movies and TV series will be erased, and you will be logged out of your account, thus giving you a refreshing experience by logging in again. The last solution, you have restart your iPhone, then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait the your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, please let me know in the comments box. Allah Hafiz.